Welcome back to another video for a coupon haul video. Not a large one, but let's get right down to it. So these two Wick scented oil warmers, normally $1.50 each or $3 total, $3.21 of tax. Got for the 21 cents of tax with the freebie coupons, $1.50 each. So yeah, it was free up to $1.50. And there's a dog. Hello. But either way, technically not 100% savings because of tax. So I just really hate tax. Shopping would be so much easier in Oregon. So it would be 3 divided by 3.21, 93% savings. So either way, that's about it. Just clearing out this other notification, and see you in the next video.